What are TikTok Spark ads? A Spark ad is a type of TikTok ad which an advertiser can run through a TikTok account, giving you more social proof. On average, Spark ads have a 30% higher completion rate, 142% higher engagement rate, 43% higher conversion rate, and a 4% lower cost per milli. But why? Visually, Spark ads give viewers the ability to follow the account the ad is being run through. Viewers are also less likely to swipe away from a video because they can see a red follow button under a profile picture which appears if a user does not follow a creator. This subconsciously tells a viewer they're watching a video on their For You page and not an advertisement. Spark ads also let users duet, stitch, use stickers, and allow viewers to click on the post's music, whereas normal ads do not. So you've decided to run Spark ads. Well, here's how. Visit your TikTok Ads Manager, click this button, user settings, then visit right here it says TikTok account. Simply click the button to log in and your account will be connected. If you want to run a Spark ad through another account, you'll need the person running that account to get a code to share with you. All you have to do is go into your profile, hit add settings right here, make sure that is on because that is very important. Next, click on a video, scroll all the way down and hit add settings, and then click add authorization, turn that on for how many days you want them to. Then it will say video code, they have to hit manage, generate, save, copy code, and then send it to you. So if you're looking for a way to have access to multiple videos through a creator's account, you visit your business center, you click on TikTok accounts, click what you want access to, generate the code, and then share it with the creator.